Well, we just got caught in the rain. And it is raining here on Tybee Island, and kind of a big burst of rain came about. And so we took cover for a few moments, and now we are headed towards the beach just for a walk, not a run. Normally I run, from one end of the beach to the other, which 2.5 from one end, 2.5 back from the other makes 5 miles. But today we're just walking. Yeah, so it's overcast and cloudy. We had a beautiful barbecue last night, grilled. I guess I call it barbecue, but it's actually grilled. And today is overcast, but periodic rain, just a little bit of sprinkles. We did get a pretty big downpour. There's a lighthouse in the background over there with all the clouds. This is North Beach, Tybee Island. You see all the blue umbrellas. Those are rentals, I think, and the rest of them are not. So you see the blue rentals, the blue umbrella rentals, and then the rest are people bring their own umbrella. But we're just walking today. Okay. I think we are at low tide right now. Yeah, we're at low tide, so the tide will come up later. Normally we have little pools of water, and my kids used to play in the little pools of water when they were babies. I used to put them, sit there with them. It was wonderful. We have wonderful memories here. You can see how dark the clouds are today. It's really hot yesterday. It was a nice breeze today. The little pools of water. Little pools of water form here, and that's what I'm talking about. We used to have all these little pools of water like this, and my kids, when they were really small, we always had life vests on them, and yet we would play here in the little pools of water. I'd bring them to the beach, and we would feed the seagulls, and all that was wonderful here. But these were so cool. They were like a little mini swimming pool. There's a pelican or a seagull. I guess it's a seagull. It's one kind of fast. So we are out at Cockapoo's, and it's kind of a local hangout. The locals all know about it, been here forever, and we are here, and I'm drinking water, of course. I'm a water drinker.
There's probably nothing on there for me.
My husband's ordering a pizza. We're kind of off of our healthy eating just while we're here. Although we're eating pretty healthy, but he's having pizza. I'm having a gyro. Marshall's having what is Marshall having? He's having breadsticks stuffed full of something, and Matthew's having pizza, and a large pizza, plus Big Mac, Daddy, nachos. Our Big Mac, Daddy, nachos. What do you have to say?
Yum.
Yum. Okay, cheesy bread, gyro sandwich, and look at this pizza over here. Oh my gosh, look at the pizza. Wow, 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 wow. Yum, 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 and that's iced tea. Yum, yum, and more yum. There is a game there where you have to hook that onto the hook. Okay, now we are done with dinner, and this is the Tybee nightlife.
No, we gotta be up early now.
Tybee nightlife, right? Yeah. And my husband and my 2 sons are going fishing tomorrow. Yeah. And that's that loop thing that goes around and around over there. Yeah.
So my boss has me off Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
I love this tree.
This coming week.
So this was Huckapoo's, and all the little shops are over here. They're like little artsy shops, bicycles. Everybody rides a bicycle here. And good night from Tybee Island. Good night.